Plus, we now have access to all sorts of information. Even Tinder gives more information than the old personal advertisement format did. For example, I don't like fish photos. To me they show that the person doesn't actually care about life, as in, the life of other creatures on Earth. The person believes that by offering the pic, he's proving his ability to provide, in a really subconscious caveman sort of method, and that generally, he's a standard brother. There's been a great deal of speak about online dating offering too numerous options. We search and browse thinking that there will be something much better out there if we simply keep looking. Is that truly a bad thing? If we're wanting something more, if we're desiring something particular, what's the damage? Because since we can make decisions faster, one method or another does not imply we have actually stopped providing individuals possibilities. We're just more proficient at understanding what we don't desire. Among the finest pointers that I ever found out about online dating was from the founder of OkCupid, who stated to emphasize the weird aspect of you, whether it's your big nose or your weird ears, whether it's your strange obsession with mac and cheese or desire to hang upside down from the ceiling. We need to embrace who we really are due to the fact that it's the only method we'll discover someone we truly wish to be with, and vice versa. So if you're brief, be short. If you're fat, be fat. Warts and all, as they say. Image, through Pixabay, about the author, Crystal Baffer, lives in Denver, Colorado. Find her on Instagram to keep up to date with all of her shenanigans. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.